Add 250 grams of quartered strawberries into a greased bundt cake pan. Strawberry jelly mix to sachets. Add 2 cups hot water. Mix well until dissolves. Pour the Jello mix and refrigerate for 1 hour. Strawberry jelly mix to sachets. Add 2 cups hot milk. Mix well until dissolves. Add thick cream 320 grams. Mix well until mixture appears creamy. Pour the creamy Jello mix on top of the firm Jello and refrigerate for about 6 hours. Place your serving tray over the top of the bundt pan, then flip it over. Enjoy!